Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making kimchi fried rice. A quick and easy meal, perfect for any weeknight. Let's get started. We just need a few simple ingredients. I'm cutting up some very sour kimchi that's been in my fridge for a few months. When it comes to cooking with kimchi, the general rule is the older the better. Let's start with the bacon to render some of the fat. When it starts to brown, add the onion and saute in the bacon fat. It has so much flavor and smokiness. What kind of meat will you add? Let me know in the comments. Then add the kimchi. This is 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, but add more if you like it super spicy. A little sugar, and a dash of pepper. Keep frying for a few minutes. I'm adding a little water here to braise and develop even more flavor. Once the water cooks off, add the leftover rice and oyster sauce. The rice is very loose and dry, which is ideal for fried rice. Mix well as you continue to fry over medium heat. Finish it off with sesame oil and green onion. This is the perfect consistency for good fried rice. Moist, but not overly sticky or clumpy. Instead of scrambling egg into the rice, let's top it off with the fried egg, sunny side up. Now let's plate. Garnish with scallions. And sprinkle with Furikake, which adds more umami. This tastes as good as it looks, a perfect balance of spicy and savory. Hope you guys tried this quick and easy recipe for kimchi fried rice. And let me know how it goes. See you at the next one.